now we're going to be talking more about the markets. Joining me still is Simon Fillmore from Independent Securities. Simon, as we mentioned, markets under pressure today. We basically went through some of the key movements a little earlier with regards to Mondi and Investec, because those companies out with some numbers. But Harmony plunging very quickly to the bottom of the top 40, and Anglo Gold down 3% as well. Earlier today we saw Investec was the biggest loser, and so too was Mondi. So a quick turn of events, and it's got to do with that gold price. Yeah,
absolutely. And I think we saw particularly Anglo Gold run up quite significantly a couple of weeks ago as the gold price went to all-time highs. And in fact, Anglo Gold and all the other gold companies are lagging the Rand gold price. But be that as I may, it looks like investors are more happy to invest in the physical gold rather than the gold companies themselves.
MTN, why up so strongly today? 2.25% to the good.
Yeah, I'm not sure if there's any particular reason for that, and it's difficult to comment on day-to-day fluctuations, but I think it was probably just a little bit oversold yesterday and just a slight rebound from that.
With regards to gains or returns as we head towards the end of the year, what kind of returns are you expecting for 2011?
I think we'll see a pretty positive end to the year. If we look at the forward multiples on companies, they still look quite inexpensive. You know, something like Sasol trading on a forward P of about 7.8 times earnings, and tomorrow should be quite interesting. We have Anglo American's interim results, and that'll be very interesting. I think the key factor there for investors to focus on is the dividend. Since Anglo has unceremoniously cut their dividend 2 or 3 years ago, the dividend cover has been quite high at about eight times, and eventually we expect that to revert back to its long-term average of about 4 times. And if we get that tomorrow, we could see some positive share price action.
Of course, we saw Kumba and Anglo Platinum doing quite well, so it'll be interesting to see how that plays out tomorrow.